Okay, Lynn, here's my video. I figured let's see how bad the airport looks. I'm about to turn into it, and already I see that there's a backup at this turn, which I normally don't see. Trying not to move the camera since I'm driving. Oy vey, I'm already seeing the flooding here. Wait till you see it when I turn. Look at this shit. Oy. I guess this is one of those times I'm glad I have an SUV. The real test is how the parking lot at work looks. Going through the tunnel. Yeah, traffic is a little heavy. I don't know if it's just due to the holiday or people are slowing because of the flooding. Here's the roundabout that nobody knows how to drive. Oh, BSO has the roundabout blocked off here.